Babies, it's your girl Golden Kai back with another video, and today we got
what's the deal, bro?
Bae, and as y'all can see by the title, we finna get real spicy and mild.
I done get spicy.
I said it mild.
I get original,
nigga.
Classic.
We got the Popeyes on deck. Bae, how long was we in line?
About 45 minutes.
Bruh, 45 minutes in line waiting for this, so it better be good. It better be like out of this world type, cause that's ridiculous. So, Bae, what you mean?
Me, we gonna see.
They don't eat spicy stuff, so. Oh, this is my red bean, right?
Just you, no pickles.
Yeah, I don't fuck with the pickles. So yeah, we finna go ahead and try this and let y'all know what our opinion is on it. Is it worth it? Is it just hyped up? Is it just hyped up, or is it really good? So before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know any videos you want from me and from us, because you know we're gonna get it done. Period. Gonna be this pop out. And
we gonna see who really winning. Popeyes, Chick-fil-A.
Oh, we should have put Chick-fil-A in it too.
Nah, I already know how Chick-fil-A tastes.
Yeah, me too. It's not even all that though.
It's cool.
What you think?
What, Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's mine.
No, I feel like Chick-fil-A not all that because they don't even put like lettuce in it.
Yes, they do.
Wait, does Popeyes put lettuce?
No. You gotta get the
deluxe?
You got the chick messed up.
Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited. Ooh, baby, it's soft. Oh shit, it's like a pack of heaven. Hold on, wait, baby, thumbnail. Put yours back in. Ah! That looks good. I'm not even gonna lie.
This look like a regular chicken
No, bro, it's different already. I know it's different already.
Let me see yours then.
It's soft. Oh my fucking gosh. I might know why everybody going crazy over it.
Right. I gotta taste it before
I'm about to hang this up on my wall.
Yeah, you ain't even tasted it yet. Right?
Oh wait, babe, you want some of my red beans and rice?
We do a thumbnail while we eating them.
Huh? While we eating them?
Yeah.
Oh, here goes nothing. Babe, I'm so happy. This is like the happiest I've been all day. Well, the day just started, but.
She
all right, cheers.
This happy about me.
Babe, you lying.
Popeyes winning.
You lying. Come here, you know you happy with. All right, wait, cheers. Wait. Oh, don't you eat it yet. Wait. Okay. Wait, let me. Why are we observing it first? He got pickles. I don't fuck with that pickle shit.
Yeah, that's why you don't have pickles,
yeah.
My nigga. You don't have pickles, my nigga.
Okay. Alright, that's not paying so much. Yeah, let's eat it.
Alright.
That's a fire, huh?
No.
You like it? You not fucking with it? Bro, you not fucking with it?
Nah, bro.
Are you serious? You lying. Bro, this shit good as fuck. It's soft.
See how it's got it.
The friedness was just in my mouth.
Shit on Chick-fil-A.
Bruh. I fuck with this. I fuck with it.
That shit cool or whatever.
But I got the spicy one. That's more popping than the regular one. You know what I'm saying? This is too good.
Well, my nigga gonna say that shit ain't nothing.
Bruh. It's good.
Let me taste the spicy. Let me hit the spicy. Just one little bite.
The bread is soft. Chicken is on point.
Nah, bro. This shit cool.
Well, we got two different opinions, yeah. But I never ate.
Bro, they use the same bread as Chick-fil-A. I think they slick. It's Popeyes chicken with bread.
I think it's good, man.
No, I'm not saying it's nasty. I'm just saying this ain't. Like, I'm just saying it's cool. Like, it's whatever. It's regular.
Would you get it again?
No. I'll go to Chick-fil-A. Would you get it again?
Yeah. It's good.
I'm just saying that because it's popular.
Babe, I swear, I never even like ate
That shit cool.
chicken sandwich like that, but I would get this again. Want some rice? Oh, you said no. This shit finna hit too.
That's a regular chicken sandwich.
It's a mukbang.
Huh?
It's a mukbang. Alright, y'all. So now we done tried it.
Yeah, we didn't try it. So I know
They talking about he ain't messing with it like that. He would never get it again.
I said, bro.
Babe, that's what you said. I just couldn't agree with you, honey.
Bro, you know Chick-fil-A be sticking, bruh.
Well, what you mean by sticking?
Alright, come on. You know.
I don't know, babe.
Nah. You know, bro.
Well, that shit do be
you
hitting
know,
that.
Chick-fil-A got that wow, nigga.
Well, they got that
This
sauce.
shit just got that. It's cool.
That's what I feel. Well, let me try yours, honey.
Why you sad?
'Cause you
My
know
shit
how
just
I
cool.
feel about food.
It just feel like a chicken sandwich.
Yes, honey.
Like
that's
it's
what
not.
it is.
I'm not knocking.
Okay. Your chicken feel way bigger than mine. This chicken big as fuck.
I don't
Okay.
know.
Ooh. Your bread isn't as soft as mine. I'm okay. Feel mine.
I
Mine's.
felt yours. I had some. Taste it.
I think it just depends. Oh wait.
This nigga thinks she a food critic. I think it just depends.
Is the pickle somewhere in here?
Nah, hit that.
It is down there. I'm gonna just go right here. Wow.
See, it's cool, huh? Like, I'm not saying it's not nasty. It's just like, ever. They red beans and rice better than they chicken sandwich. No cap. Now this would. This is fire. This that fire.
I'll take a big bite home.
That should take forever to taste it. Big ass chicken. That ain't no chicken. That's an ostrich.
Yours is way bigger than mine. Okay, but what I can say about yours, the pickles give it a little cucumber taste. Am I tripping?
You didn't even have no pickles.
Babe, but I know it's like the aroma is still in the the aroma is still in the rest of the sandwich. And I don't know, babe.
Man.
But mine is real petite and cute and regular and handleable, you know, manageable. Yours is just kind of
That shit.
like huge. Is like you see mine and then you see his. Well, mine.
Cause I'm a big nigga.
Babe. Ooh, wait. What do we do when they get married? Can we wrap our arms on?
What?
Come on, let's do that. It's romantic.
What are you talking about, bro? Them fat people shit. Wrapping
No, it's
arms around
not.
chicken sandwich and shit.
Go.
Oh.
Go.
Big ass. Why am I?
Oh yeah, you gotta finish that. Y'all, this is good though. I mean, I would give it a 10 out of 10.
7. 6.
6?
That shit just whatever.
What you making me do the happy dance?
Niggas tripping, losing their life over these. Over
Oh
these.
yeah, that's crazy.
You tripping?
No, that's ridiculous. I could say that. It's good. Like that's people fighting, getting slammed. Like damn. I was trying to figure out what they was really putting in the sandwich. There's nothing like that to be going that
Popeye's
crazy.
chicken.
I mean, this
and
shit
Chick-fil-A
good.
bread.
It was good. Don't get me wrong, but
Yeah.
to be like
I ain't,
really all this bullshit that happening about
nah.
that shit is ridiculous.
I ain't losing
It's
my
not
life over
that
this.
good.
Over this, no.
No, bro. Mm-mm.
I ain't even squabbling nobody over this.
That's ridiculous.
I ain't even worth for squabbling, though. These more worth for squabbling
my
than
God.
that. Nigga steal my chicken sandwich, you can have it.
Oh my god, but this is good.
Yes.
So, yours got opinion on it.
I say 6, 7.
These mixed together is good.
What? The black woman who promoted it. That's how you know she probably tasted it like it's cool.
Oh whatever. Oh whatever. Sorry, I was gonna swallow it too quick.
Cool.
But no, that shit was really good for the most part. It's really good for the
Chick-fil-A got me, man. That's who got me.
I feel
I'm
like
on
both
Team
on the
Chick.
same.
No.
Chick-fil-A might be a little higher because they got that sauce.
Now you disrespecting.
No, baby, it might be a little higher because they got that sauce. But anyways, we finna wrap this video up. I'm finna finish this. And take a nap because I'm getting the itis.
Yeah, we had to get y'all opinion on that shit. That shit cool.
So my 4-pack is, we just did a whole workout video. Now look at us eating Popeyes.
Shit.
That's what Popeyes do. I'm dead, baby. Now, y'all, we finna close this video out. So that's our opinion on this Popeyes chicken thing that's been going on. It's good to me. They said it's alright. It's whatever. Probably mediocre to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good though. But it's not worth losing your life. Ooh, sorry. Excuse me.
Or go to jail for the issue.
Yeah, we're going to jail.
I wouldn't even argue with nobody over here.
But I must say, if y'all eat the red beans and rice, y'all been knew that this shit hit. But anyways, okay.
I could have made some better shit than that.
You think you have made some better shit than this?
I could have.
Like what?
Same thing, just better.
Alright, y'all. Well, oh, before we close out though, we probably gonna hit 400K in a couple of days, if that. Not even a couple of days. Well, sometime this week. So be expecting the challenge probably dropping this week. No, it is gonna end up dropping this week. And yeah, so I love everybody that's supporting us and has, you know, been genuine throughout the whole time. And we're gonna have something for y'all when we hit 500K. When I'm gonna do a big giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I love you guys. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the video you want me to do. Period. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Love y'all.
Ain't it?